right there on top of the moon. We could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care. Just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you.
How are you guys? How are you doing? Hope you are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you find this channel fun and enjoyable. Welcome back my subscribers, my returning subscribers, and my new subscribers. Thank you so much and welcome to my channel. So the last time I talked to you guys, it was on Saturday. Yeah, it was on Saturday. Since Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, today is on Wednesday, I have not talked to you guys. I don't know why I have not talked to you, but yeah, I'm back guys. This is my hair. It is sijaipanga vizuri, but it is fine. Nilikuwa nataka zikuwe tu hivi kidogo, you see. Nywele langu inakunga mingi sana, so nikienda salon zinajaanga, so I didn't want that, but right now I feel so much okay. I feel so much good and so much cute. Anyway guys, it is on Wednesday. Wednesday morning. I've just woken up, I've done everything, prepared tea, prepared breakfast, I've taken breakfast. Guys, I'm tired. I've done everything. So yeah, I don't know even what to tell you, but guys, let me see you maybe lunchtime or in the evening. Let me see you. Take care.
Like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up on her. I think it's odd how we always wait another day. How we watch things that can't just walk away. Let's live down by the water, watch you come and go home. I wish we were bold to like sail away. I just don't wanna care. Can you be here and I'm good alone? I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up on her. there's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
Okay guys, how are you doing? Hope you are doing great. Continuation of the same vlog. Today is on Friday. I haven't talked to you guys since did I talk to you yesterday? I think I talked to you on Wednesday. That was the last time that I talked to you guys. Today is on Friday, and right now is at 6 p.m. Guys, what is this? I don't know whether you can see me well, but I hope you can. So I want to go out. I want some shoes. I don't have sneakers, so there is a store near our place that sells shoes. So that is where we want to go with my sister to look at them, and if I find some fine shoes, I'll buy them, because I wanted to go to Italy to buy one, but hiyo pesa utakwenda Italy na kurudi, and kuna viatu zinauzwa hapa, so I want to go and look at them. So if I go nipate zinauzwa expensive than the new shoes, the actual new shoes, nitachana nazo and then I go to Italy. But if I find, because these are second hand shoes, you know them, but unajua zinakunga smart na alafu you know how the second hand shoes look like. They look cute, but at the same time they can be a bit expensive. So that is where I want to go. If I find some shoes, I'll show you. If I don't, I'll have to go to Italy to look for them. So yeah, and I'll go with you guys. I'll show you. Oh yo, I'm tired. I will go with you and I'll show you. This is my jacket, my bomber jacket. I bought it, I don't know, when I was in college, when 2019 until now. So I love this bomber jacket so much. That is how I look. And then nafunga hapa. So yeah guys, let me see you nikifika hapo. Guys, good morning. How are you? Continuation of the same vlog. Today is on Friday. Saturday. Yesterday was on Friday, guys. A quick update actually. Yesterday I didn't buy the shoes. I didn't get any shoes to buy. So the guy said that he's bringing new stock today. So I'll go check it today or on Monday. So, but most probably on Monday. I don't know, because right now I want to go. We have an event in church. That is where I want to go. So I don't know whether I'll get time to go and look for those shoes, but most probably I'll get them on Monday. So that is what I wanted to tell you. Yeah, but hope guys you're taking care of yourself. It is on Saturday. I've woken up, I've done everything, prepared tea, taken breakfast, everything. So I want to shower and then I get out. I go out. Yo, my hair, I'm so happy with this hair of mine, guys. Anyway guys, let me see you later.
We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. For all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. I would. I would.
Guys, good morning. There are people making noise there. Good morning, hope you are doing well. Today is on Monday, guys. I know. Yesterday I didn't post any vlog. It's because, guys, as I was editing this vlog, I found out that it was so small. It was not even up to 15 minutes. So I was like, I won't post, but I will post maybe in the middle of this week. And yeah, today is on Monday. Yesterday it was Sunday. I went to church, but I didn't vlog. And today's plans is, right now I'm preparing breakfast. After that I want to go, not now, maybe later, I want to go and look for those shoes that I was talking about last week. On Saturday I didn't find them, no, on Friday. So today I want to go and maybe wameleta stock mpya, so that is where I want to go and look for them. Yeah, and maybe I'll take you guys. Yeah, I'll take you. So hope you're doing great, hope you're doing fine, guys. And yeah, I like how my skin is cooperating. I've been suffering because of this skin since I don't know what has been happening, but right now I'm so happy about it. Yeah, let me see you guys later. Hello guys, how are you doing? Hope you're doing well. Continuation of the same vlog. Today's on Friday. Today's on Wednesday, guys. Yesterday was on Tuesday. Tuesday is on Wednesday. I haven't talked to you since on Monday. Yo, guys, I'm so disappointed. I've not been so consistent as it should be. But anyway, guys, I'm back and I got those shoes here, guys. I want to show you the shoes, but first of all, hope you're doing great, guys. It's very cold outside. It's very cold. The weather of this Nairobi, you can't predict one. You just, today is cold, tomorrow is sunny, or today at 7 is cold, today at 2 is very sunny. So I don't know, but right now from morning up to now it has been raining. So it's so cold. That's why I'm in my green jumper, green sweater. It's so warm. Yeah, so let me bring those shoes. Let me show you how cute they are, guys. They are so cute and so cheap. Okay, I don't know cheap, but let me show you. So these are the number one shoe, guys. Look how cute this shoe is. I don't know whether you can see it. It has shoelaces, two shoelaces. I don't know why, but these are cute. This shoe looks. Look. I don't know why I put my band here, but this is how it looks, guys. This is how it looks. It was going for 600 bob, guys. Yeah, the other one is here. 600 shillings. And the other one is here. This is the one that I love most, guys. Look how it is. You see? This is the one that I love. At first I didn't like it because of the sole, but yeah, I love it. I love it. I love it. Actually, I love it more than the other one. It also went for 600 shillings, both of them. So I bought them at 1200. See how cute they are? So cute, guys. And be rocking with these shoes will get tired of me. Yep. Prepare getting tired of me with these shoes. I'll be rocking with them everywhere that I'm going. Anyway, yeah, that is all that I bought. I'm so thankful that I got those shoes because I was planning to go to Italy, and how Italy so far you use a lot of fare. You go to Italy, after Italy you need to go, maybe you get tired, you need to find somewhere to eat. It's a lot. But anyway, thank you for everyone for watching this video until now, because I want to close this video, guys. I've not gotten time to find more clips, but the ones I've gotten, I'll just edit them and then I post it tomorrow on Thursday. I promise you guys, I'm going to post this video tomorrow on Thursday. So to everyone who has watched this video until this time, so thank you so much, and please check if you have subscribed to my channel. If you haven't, please subscribe. Follow me on my other socials as Neema Bonareri, and yes, I'll see you on the next video. See you guys and take care.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do